Hi there and welcome back to another NJS instructional video. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset this service or wrench symbol in your Mazda vehicle. Now this particular vehicle is the Mazda CX-5, but the principles I show you will apply to most modern Mazda vehicles. Before we reset this light, however, what does the symbol actually mean, and is it cause for any concern? Well, thankfully, no. All the symbol refers to is simply a preset maintenance or service reminder. Now, to reset this service reminder, simply navigate to the Applications menu. Now, you can use the vehicle's touchscreen, or you can also navigate using the buttons and dial below. And go over to the left where it says Applications, and you'll see the vehicle status monitor has an amber warning light, and that's where we want to go into. So we'll hit enter, and under maintenance we have our wrench symbol, so we'll go under maintenance there, and you'll see here it says scheduled 5 days and a certain amount of kilometers, and we actually have our wrench symbol right next to the scheduled menu there. So we'll go into that, and you'll see it says service soon, setting time due 5 days ago, hence the red text. Distance, there's over 5,000 kilometers still to go, and we've got the reset option. Now we'll select reset here, and yes, we want to reset, and that's cleared that up. We'll just go back, and that's also cleared up over there, and it should also clear up on our dash as well. And you'll see now that the symbol has also been cleared up on our dash. So I hope you found this video informative. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit that bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.